this next video I'll be doing the codes for adding and subtracting two numbers. So the code will be addition and subtraction of two numbers. Okay, I'll start the code. Hash into hash string int main. Now I am defining variables int a for the first number, b for the second number, sum that will store the value of a plus b, and diff that will store the value of a minus b. Okay, I declared 4 variables. Now I'll take the input from the user. The first number. Now see a. Okay, I took the inputs a and b. Now I have to write the formulas. So what will be the value of sum? Sum will be equal to a plus b. Value of sum equal to a plus b, and the value of diff equal to a minus b. Okay, then I will get my output. Now I will just show this in the screen. Sum of the numbers equal to, it will print the value sum. Okay, after printing sum of the numbers equal to, it will print the value sum. Similarly, difference of the numbers equal to diff. Okay, now the last statement will be return 0. This is how I completed this very short program. Now execute the code. There are no errors. Now run it. To the first time it is 6, second number is 7. So the sum of the numbers equal to 13, difference of the numbers equal to minus 1. This is how you can make a very small program for addition and subtraction. In the fourth video I will teach you how to multiply and divide two numbers. Okay, thank you for watching the video.